Performance tested and race proven, when it comes to engine parts, go with the pro. Engine Pro.
Hi, I'm Dave with Engine Pro. I'm here today talking about Engine Pro performance valves. Our valves are very competitive with other high-end racing valves and even have some important features not found in valves costing a lot more. This is our 2000 series valve for the LS Chevy. It's forged in one-piece, high-strength 21-4N stainless steel. It has our own undercut design and a swirl-polished head for improved flow. It has a friction-welded tip and a hard chrome stem. This valve is designed to live in a racing environment with high spring pressures and roller camshafts. It's a very good valve at a value price. Now this is a very special valve. It's from the Engine Pro Nitro Black series. Our Nitro Black valve combines the same features offered in our 2000 series valve with one very important difference. It's liquid nitrided using Engine Pro's proprietary 5-step treatment. Engine Pro nitriding is not a coating, but a process that changes the metallurgy of the entire valve. And here's how it's done. First, the valve is heated to 350 degrees centigrade in a recirculating air preheat furnace. Next, it's immersed into a molten, nitrogen-rich solution in an aerated furnace at a temperature of 580 degrees centigrade. This is the oxidizing process. Now these valves go into a cooling bath, which is 400 degrees centigrade. This step creates a black iron oxide layer called magnetite over the entire valve surface. This layer increases corrosion resistance and ensures the dimensional stability of the valve. It is now cooled to room temperature, cleaned, and polished. The final step is called post-oxidizing. Once again, the valve is placed into a molten, nitrogen-rich solution and heated to 400 degrees centigrade, resulting in a shiny black surface that is both smooth and hard. These 5 steps take several hours and a lot of work to complete, but it's worth it, and here's why. The valve stem is 21% smoother than regular chrome-plated stem. This has been proven in scanning electronic microscope examinations. A smoother valve stem means less friction between the valve and the valve guide. The result is less wear and more power. Our valve is stronger, and it's also more ductile, not just on the surface, but throughout the entire valve when compared to a conventional valve. This has been proven in rotating bending fatigue tests. Under extreme stress, they are much more likely to bend, and that always beats braking. It is more resistant to corrosion even when used with exotic fuels, including nitrous. And overall, it is much less expensive than valves made from exotic alloys. Engine Pro Nitro Black valves are being used in extreme racing conditions, in hydroplane boat racing, drag racing, road and oval track racing. These are environments where very expensive exotic alloy materials were needed before we introduced the Engine Pro Nitro Black valve. Keep in mind there are several types of nitrided valves. Some are only surface nitrided, others are nitrided on only parts of the valve. There is only one Engine Pro Nitro Black performance valve, and it's available from Engine Pro engine professionals throughout the US and Australia.
When you're looking for performance engine parts, go with the pro. Engine Pro. Find us online at enginepro.com.